men concerns before starting a Mudgar practice. Hey guys, this is MudgarFitness, where we help people with their physical strength, mental strength, as well as help you with their chronic things. So any man who's starting out a new exercise workout for himself will obviously have some concerns, right? So here are all those concerns related to Mudgar. Concern number 1, lose belly fat. Yes, you will definitely lose belly fat because when you're practicing Mudgar, you're doing a lot of high reps. And when you're doing a lot of high reps, you slowly start to lose your belly fat as well as gain strength, right? So you will definitely lose belly fat. Concern number 2, will the Mudgar be too light for me? Guys, the Mudgar weight is decided as per a specific calculation for a beginner, right? So if you want to know what is that calculation, you can check out this video where you will know that this is the way a beginner should start a Mudgar practice. And I will always suggest you, don't go for a very heavy Mudgar. Don't start with a 5 kilo, 10 kilo Mudgar. Why? Because the chances of injuries are way higher and it will not be sustainable, right? So preferably start with a lightweight Mudgar as per your calculation. Concern number 3, gym type body. Well guys, I will be very honest. You will not get a gym type body after practicing Mudgar. Why? Because when you're doing a gym workout, you're focusing on specific muscles. You're focusing on hypertrophy, right? And when you're doing that, you're getting that aesthetic physique, which is generally desirable, right? But when you're doing a Mudgar practice, you will be inherently stronger. You will be inherently stronger. So you will have your strength, you'll have the core strength, you'll have the energy, as well as you'll have the flexibility. So yes, if anyone's telling you Mudgar say you'll get a gym type body, well, be away from that person. 4th concern, I have hypertension. Yes guys, a lot of you who might be working in an IT industry or a stressful industry, right, might be having a BP issue or a hypertension issue. And obviously, you might feel, is Mudgar workout right for me? Well guys, I'll tell you one thing. When you're doing a Mudgar workout, you will definitely not be stressed. Why? Because in a Mudgar workout, you're working on a lot of reps continuously along with doing Kshatriya Pranayam. Yes, it's a breathing technique where you're focusing on your breath along with the movements. So basically, you'll be remaining calm while you're doing the workout and you will do a lot of workout done too, right? A lot of workout done too. So that is the advantage of Mudgar work. 5th concern, I'm above 40. Can I do this workout? Guys, in my class, there are students above 50 as well as above 60. And they are comfortably doing their workouts. So it's not an age related thing. Why? Because whenever we recommend a Mudgar, we recommend the Mudgar as per your age, height and weight. On that basis, we'll suggest you something, right? We'll not tell you something to do very heavy or very stressful. So it will slowly help you recover from your pains as well as make you stronger. Concern number 6, is it only upper body workout? No guys. Check out our videos. It's a full body workout. You will be doing a lot of full body movements when you're doing a Mudgar workout. Yes, I understand. A lot of movies and TV shows show only an upper body movement, right? Only an upper body movement. But no, in our class, you will definitely see a lot of workout reels we have which focuses on the entire body. If you have any more concerns, you can drop a comment in the video below, as well as to follow more on what's happening in our classes and what we are doing, you can follow us on Instagram.com/@MudgarFitness and you'll get all the updates. And last thing guys, it's time to get back your ancestral strength.